It would not be wrong to say that the first medicine for all women's problems is pulsatilla. It is the best medicine for adult girls and pregnant women. It is the best medicine for women with uterine inflammation or the formation of water sacs or nodules in the uterus. The first medicine for women with such symptoms is pulsatilla. The temperament of a patient with pulsatilla and her drug picture is something like this. She is prone to crying and cowardly. She has a soft heart for everyone. She starts crying over a small thing. She gets lost in a small thing like a little girl. She is extremely delusional. She is always under the illusion that someone is disrespecting her. She looks sad and disappointed all the time. For women who are unable to conceive or who, if they do, want to have an abortion after a few months, pulsatilla is the first-line medicine. There are many other homeopathic medicines with the same symptoms, which should be used as per the doctor's instructions. Often, many problems are faced at the time of birth or after it. Suppose the baby has died in the womb and the baby is not being born, or there is some dirt or blood clot left in the womb after birth, then homeopathic medicines have the best remedies for cleaning the womb. According to the symptoms, all problems can be solved by using them. Many girls have a tendency to miscarry after 3 to 4 months. There are various reasons for this. According to the symptoms, such problems can be solved by using homeopathic medicine. According to the doctor's report, before 7 or 8 months, the baby has turned upside down or crooked in the mother's womb. In such a situation, the life of the mother and the baby can be in danger. Today, any lady doctor you contact will advise an operation. Just think about it. Such cases are becoming common around us. If homeopathic medicine is used on time, all these problems can be solved by the grace of Allah Almighty. If the baby is upside down in the mother's womb, then pulsatilla has the ability to straighten the baby. By the grace of Allah Almighty, dozens of babies have been born normally in my practice. It is common knowledge that at the time of birth, the baby is not born due to inflammation and swelling in the uterus. At this time, if medicines are not used according to the symptoms, the mother and the baby die. Such cases are still being reported in the villages. If you have any questions or want to consult, contact the given number. Subscribe to my channel so that every new video reaches you first. Share with friends.